Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to share Figma files. Whether you're collaborating with a design team, sharing mockups with clients, or getting feedback from stakeholders, knowing how to properly share your Figma projects is essential for smooth workflow and effective communication. Let's walk through the different sharing options available to you. First, you'll want to open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to and open the specific project you want to share. This could be anything from a UI design to a complete prototype you've been working on. Make sure you've selected the right project before proceeding to the next step. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the collaboration features Figma offers, giving you complete control over who can access your work and what they can do with it. Once you click Share, you'll notice several sharing options appear. The first and simplest method is to click Copy Link. This generates a shareable link that you can paste anywhere, whether that's in an email, a Slack message, or any other communication platform. This is particularly useful when you need to quickly share your design with someone without going through formal invitation processes. Just copy the link and send it directly to the people who need access. The second option gives you more control over permissions. Here you can input the email addresses of specific people you want to invite. Once you've typed in their email, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on this menu to choose between Can Edit or Can View. The Can Edit option allows collaborators to make changes to your design, which is great for team members working together. The Can View option is perfect for clients or stakeholders who just need to review the work without modifying anything. After you've selected the appropriate permission level, click Invite to send them access. The third sharing method is the Dev Mode link. This is especially valuable when you're working with developers who need to inspect your designs and extract code, measurements, or assets. The Dev Mode link provides them with all the technical specifications they need to bring your designs to life in development. And that's it. You now know how to share your Figma files using multiple methods, giving you flexibility based on who you're sharing with and what level of access they need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.